Open G hints. Grabbing the open G can be a bit of a stretch, so it's important to have your hand and fingers in a good starting position. The hand should not be wrapped around too much like this, or too little like this, but somewhere in between so that you'll be able to fret the low E string with your middle finger without muting the rest of the strings, and at the same time be able to fret the high E string with the tip of your ring finger. This might be hard in the beginning, but with some practice, you'll get there. Make sure that your middle finger on the low E string doesn't mute the A string, and that the index finger doesn't mute the D string. Remember to fret with your fingertips to avoid accidental muting. Also, make sure that your ring finger gets a clear sound on the high E string. It's important to not position the ring finger too far back from the fret, as that makes it harder to get a clear sound. It should be as close to the fret as possible. Now, grab the chord and pick all strings one by one, starting with the thickest string. If any string is muted, try to adjust your hand and fingers until all strings ring out with a clear sound. Good luck.